Okay, how to make a procreate brush from isometric objects. Last time we made a isometric chair, so now we are going to make it become a brush. So create a new layer and then fill it with white color. After that, move the layer down. Okay, and then turn off the drawing guide, and we are going to adjust our chair position to the center. Okay, and then we will merge the layer, and then we are going to copy and go to brush library, create a new brush and set the name of your brush. After that, click the plus sign, and then it will go to brush studio. Select shape. You will need to rotate your iPad, and then go to shape source there at the top, and then click edit and import, then select paste. Alright, and then double click with your two fingers. The background will change to blank color, and then select shape and adjust the count. You will see the shape clearer. Yep, and then just add your light. And then select about this brush and put information like brush name and who made it. And then it's ready to use now, your new brush. Congratulations! Adding a new chair in your bedroom isometric.